Hey, in this video, I will show you how to use emoji stickers to censor photos in MarkUp on iOS 17. It's actually going to be a very simple tutorial, so make sure you hit the like video for the algorithm and hit the subscribe button if you are new. The first thing you want to do is go over to any photo you like in your Photos app, just like so. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the edit button at the top right corner, and there you want to click on the MarkUp tool. Right here is the marker, and here you want to navigate in the bottom right corner to the plus icon, and you want to click on add signature. Make sure you click on, okay, not add signature, sorry, add sticker. When you click on it, you can actually add different stickers. For example, this one, you can click this one, you can make it a little bit bigger, and you can mark something up on your photos with a emoji. It's as simple as that. If the video helped you out, give me a like. If you're still having any questions whatsoever around the video, I would love to help you out. And hit the subscribe button if you're new. See you next one. Bye.